Guys, we're back with another video. Today we're gonna be showing you how to install the Crown Royal bag on a 99 Honda Accord, and we're gonna show you how it's done. So first of all, you gotta take off the center console. It's a one piece that you gotta take off. So go ahead, bro. I don't know, take that part off. After you have taken out the center console from the middle.
This is the most bunk shit you've ever seen in your life. Look at this.
You're supposed to take these bolts off or whatever. And
take these bolts off, take the original one off. It usually has staples or like glue. So all you do is take these off. When you get everything off, you need to get the staples off. Just make sure it fits. If it's a tight fit, just cut some holes on the side so it goes on perfectly.
But this is actually a big bag. This is the big bag from the big bottle. Yes. You could get the smaller bag, which I have at home.
Which will be a bitch and a half to put on.
I'm going to do it on the Civic, but my Civic boots is man small, so I'm hoping it should be good.
Probably.
And I don't have to do that right here.
I only did that like for extra shit, cause this.
So you could tie it.
I didn't need to do this. It was already on.
But yeah, there's no screws on the center console, right? So there's no screws, and you grab the. You grab.
What's clips?
It just clips. That's on a 1999 Honda Accord, because on my Civic.
To 2002.
On my Civic, you have to take out 2 bolts in order for you. I mean 2 screws. I think it's 2. No, there's 4 bolts in order for you to take off the center console. So what you basically do is just grab the bag and you cut the bottom and you take off the bottom part and just put it there. That's how it's supposed to look. Make sure you make sure the Crown Royal stand out so that way you can see it, you know what I'm saying? And then when you get into the top, you tie it. You tie it so you won't see the freaking stick.
If you have a aftermarket stick, it'll be high though.
Well, yeah, if you have an aftermarket stick, but that's the whole point of to cover it and make it look, how you say that, like VIP type. And you can actually, like, if you know how to make knots, you could like actually make it look nice. That's pretty much it. It's simple. Just take off the center console. For like I said, for my Civic, you have to take. I think I'm pretty sure there's a screw here and a screw here and 2 screws in the middle for you to take the part off. And then you gotta take the oval, of course, and then get the bag, open a hole on the bottom of the bag, and then just put it like the way it is right here over the ship knob and stuff, and then make sure it's all good and tight from the bottom right here, and then put it back on, and then just tie this part right here so it looks better. So you want to say something?
And that's all we got, folks. That's it for the Buster channel. See you guys next time. Hey guys, welcome back to the Buster channel. It's me, Buster. We're doing a shift boot today. It's gonna be super sick. Stay tuned.
I mean, a lot of people was asking, like, how do you, put the Crown Royal, or how do you use the Crown Royal bag? Wow!
I'm so sorry. Technical difficulties. Hello?
Alright guys, so we're in a Honda Accord right now, right? So for you to take off the center console, yo, show them what you gotta do, bro.
You want me to destroy my shit?
Yeah, just do it. Send it. Not like that. Hey, what's up guys? We're back at it again with another video, and today we're gonna be showing you how to install a Crown Royal bag as a boot shift. What the fuck? What?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Buster. Welcome back to the Buster channel.
And then what else?
Stay tuned.
Oh, I'm sick. Anyway guys, I am going to be making another video from the beginning. So like, I'm gonna be doing it on my Civic, and this time it's actually gonna be from 0, so you guys can see the process of it. And this video was really, it was a little hard because it was already done, and we were just laughing, so we couldn't really do the video how I wanted it because it's already done. So that's why I'm going to make another video on my Civic with a smaller bag, because that bag is the big bag and it looks kind of baggy, so that's why he had to put zip ties and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna do another video in my Civic with a small bag, and I'm gonna be doing it from the beginning. So I'm gonna be cutting the bag, taking the boat tour from where, you know, show you the spots and everything, so that way you guys can see everything from the beginning. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you're still watching, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that little bell next to subscribe so you guys can see next upcoming videos.